Want to make $10,000 a month on Pinterest? You're about to discover a step-by-step strategy that can turn your pins into cash. In this video, I'll show you the simple 7-step system to turn your pins into a cash-generating machine, even if you've never used Pinterest before. Now, this is important. You must implement every single step for this to work, okay? All right, great. Let's get into step number 1. Step number 1, understanding Pinterest's potential. Pinterest isn't just a platform for collecting pretty pictures. It's a powerful search engine with over 450 million active users each month. What makes Pinterest unique is its ability to drive traffic and sales through visually appealing content. Did you know that 76% of Pinterest users are women? And they're often ready to make purchases. This means products targeted at women have a massive potential audience. By leveraging Pinterest's search engine capabilities, you can get your pins in front of people actively looking for ideas and products to buy. So, the first step is to recognize Pinterest as a goldmine for affiliate marketing. Once you understand this potential, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step number 2, setting up for success. To start making money on Pinterest, you need a business account. If you don't already have one, head over to Pinterest, sign up, and switch to a business account in your settings. This will give you access to crucial analytics and tools. Next, you need to optimize your profile to make it searchable. Add relevant keywords to your bio and board titles. For instance, if you're in the fashion niche, include keywords like women's fashion, streetwear, and trendy outfits. Don't forget to use a professional-looking profile picture and a compelling bio that tells users what your account is about and how it can help them. This optimization will make your account more discoverable and attract more followers. Now that your account is set up for success, let's move on to choosing the right niche. Step number 3, choosing a profitable niche. With 76% of Pinterest users being women, focusing on niches that cater to this demographic can significantly boost your success. Popular niches include fashion, skincare, home decor, recipes, and DIY projects. To find the right niche for you, think about your interests and the types of products you can easily promote. Use tools like Pinterest Trends and Pinterest Analytics to perform keyword research and identify high traffic, low competition keywords. For example, if you see a rising trend in DIY home decor or vegan recipes, these could be excellent niches to target. Remember, the more specific your niche, the better you can target your audience and the higher your conversion rates will be. Once you've chosen your niche, you're ready to start creating engaging content. Let's dive into that next. Step number 4, creating engaging pins. Now that you have your niche, it's time to create pins that attract attention and drive traffic. Engaging pins are the key to success on Pinterest. Head over to Canva and choose a Pinterest pin template. There are several styles you can use, such as bundle pins, infographics, product showcases, and repurposed content. One highly effective style is the bundle pin, where you group related products together. For example, if you're in the skincare niche, you can create a bundle pin featuring a complete skincare routine with affiliate links for each product. Multiple links are best shared via a related blog post. See Pinterest guidelines for more details. Another great option is an infographic, which can provide valuable information in a visually appealing way. When creating your pins, use high-quality images, bold text, and eye-catching colors. Make sure to add your affiliate link in the destination URL and use relevant keywords to make your pins discoverable. Consistency is crucial, so aim to create and post at least 3 to 6 pins per day. Be sure to make some pins that are just good content, no affiliate links. The more engaging and frequent your pins, the more likely they are to go viral and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Once you have your pins ready, it's time to leverage tools and data to maximize their impact. Let's move on to the next step. Step number 5, leveraging tools and data. To maximize the impact of your pin, you need to leverage the right tools and data. Start by using Pinterest Trends and Pinterest Analytics to identify what's popular in your niche. This will help you create content that aligns with current trends and user interests. Pinterest Trends allows you to see what keywords are currently trending on the platform. For example, if you notice that vegan recipes or boho home decor are trending, you can create pins around these topics to attract more views. Pinterest Analytics, on the other hand, provides insights into how your pins are performing. You can see which pins are getting the most impressions, clicks, and saves, allowing you to refine your strategy based on what's working. Additionally, consider using Tailwind, a scheduling tool that can help you plan and post your pins at optimal times. Tailwind also offers analytics and insights to further optimize your Pinterest marketing efforts. By leveraging these tools and data, you can make informed decisions, create high-performing content, and stay ahead of the competition. Now that you know how to use tools and data, let's talk about scaling your efforts and maintaining consistency. But before we do, if you want more of these guides, hit the like button and subscribe. Step number 6, scaling and consistency. Consistency is key to growing your presence and making money on Pinterest. Aim to post at least 3 to 6 pins per day to maintain a steady flow of content. The more consistent you are, the more likely you are to stay relevant and keep your audience engaged. As you grow, you'll need to scale your efforts to maximize your income. One effective way to do this is by using AI tools and outsourcing. Tools like Canva Pro can speed up your design process with advanced features and templates. You can also use AI copywriting tools to generate compelling pin descriptions and titles. Consider outsourcing some of the workload. Hiring a virtual assistant or a freelancer to help with creating pins, writing descriptions, and managing your account can free up your time to focus on strategy and scaling. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find reliable help. Try Pinterest group boards and Tailwind communities to increase your reach and collaborate with other pinners in your niche. These groups can help you get more visibility and drive more traffic to your pins. By maintaining consistency and scaling your efforts, you can significantly increase your reach and income. Now, let's wrap up with the final step, maximizing your earnings. Step number 7, maximizing your earnings. To truly make the most of Pinterest affiliate marketing, you need to maximize your earnings by diversifying your income streams and optimizing your affiliate links. First, make sure you're signed up for multiple affiliate programs. Besides Amazon Associate, consider joining other high-paying affiliate networks like Impact Share a Sale and CJ Affiliate. This allows you to promote a wider range of products and services, increasing your potential earnings. Next, strategically place your affiliate links in your pins and blog posts. When creating pins, make sure your affiliate links are clearly included in the link URL and/or in the destination blog post. This reduces the friction for users and makes it easier for them to make a purchase. Additionally, create content that addresses the biggest pain points and questions your audience has. This not only builds trust, but also drives higher conversions. For example, if you're in the home decor niche, create detailed guides like the Ultimate Guide to Boho Home Decor and include affiliate links to products mentioned in the guide. Another effective strategy is to build an email list. Use lead magnets like free downloadable guides or checklists to capture email addresses from your Pinterest traffic. Once you have an email list, you can promote affiliate products directly to your subscribers, increasing your chances of making sales. By diversifying your income streams and optimizing your strategies, you can significantly boost your earnings and make Pinterest affiliate marketing a highly profitable venture.